Hi friends, this is Sanjeev Jain from CUIT Box. So, one of the best things that you can do to build personal relations is to send custom greetings on the birthdays and anniversaries of your customers and your friends. So, doing this is quite tedious because you have to maintain a list of all the birthdays and anniversaries and trying to wish them on their birthday and anniversary is nearly impossible. So, at CUIT Box, we found a very easy way to automate this. So, we created a special script. Let me show that to you. So, this is the special script that we have developed just for this purpose. So here you can just enter the names and the email IDs of the person you wish to wish birthday or anniversary, and here we have their birthdays, their anniversaries, and also there is a beautiful provision that in case you don't know their birthday or anniversaries, you can send a request for them to update the details. So let me show you how this actually happens. I'll take you to my email, and here for example you can say this is how a birthday or anniversary wish is sent automatically. As you can see here, so this is for the birthdays, and similarly, let me show you for the this for the anniversary and this is for the birthdays. As you can see that a beautiful message is being sent out with the name of the person. So it's very easy to set up the script. Simply enter the name, the email address, and here are some more settings which relate to how exactly the email will appear. So you can enter your own email ID here, your name, what time you want to send the email, and these are the templates that are used to send this email. So these we teach you how to make them in our Tech Mastery program. They're very easy to do. Just like you create a Word document, you can create these templates. So as you can see that this is just a one-time exercise. You only need to do this once and that's it. And now I will create a trigger, give the permissions, and again this has to be done only once at the time you're setting up the sheet. So as you can see that this sheet is now in auto mode, and emails are going to be sent automatically at 900 hours from this email ID, as you can see here. So every morning at 9, so for instance, imagine that this person's birthday, Mr. X birthday is today, Mr. Y's anniversary is today, and we don't have the details for Mr. Z, so I've just selected Y. So normally it is like this, it's blank, but I've selected Y because I want to request for his details. And just for sake of demonstration, we will be sending these messages manually for now. You don't have to do this manually, it will be done automatically. This is just for demo sake that I am showing you. And as you can see here, the status has been updated that this message has been sent, number 2, number 3, and number 1. Let us go to my send box and see what messages have actually been sent. So there are 4 messages here. So the first message is to Mr. Y, and it's wishing them a happy anniversary. As you can see, the message is made quite nicely. To Mr. X, we are wishing a happy birthday. It contains the signature and everything. It's totally flexible. The design is only limited by our imagination. And you see a lovely message goes out to Mr. X. This is from my assistant, and she's asking him to update the details so we can track them and wish him on his birthday. or an anniversary. And also every day you will get a status update message that 3 messages have been sent today. So isn't it amazing? So every morning in my mail I can see, let me just search for it and show you. So as you can see here, at 9:22 this message was sent across that today is Anuj's birthday, and I also got a BCC. So this way it becomes very easy for me to wish the person in case I get to see them. And the beauty of this sheet is that it has to be set up only once, and your assistant can keep on adding the names and email address of the persons along with their birthdays and anniversaries. I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching.